Changing your plan on TrainingPeaks can help you adjust your training according to your evolving fitness goals. Follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the TrainingPeaks website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are logged in to manage your training plans. Step 2. Navigate to your calendar. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use this app to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Access your current plan. Locate your current training plan within the calendar view. Click on the plan to open its details, where you can review your workouts and settings. Step 4. Select Change Plan option. Look for the option to change or modify your plan. This may be labeled as Change Plan or Edit Plan. Click on this option to explore available plans. Step 5. Choose a new plan. Browse through the list of available training plans. Select the one that best fits your new goals and confirm your choice. Make sure to review any details or adjustments before finalizing the change. After completing these steps, your training plan will be updated and you can start following your new schedule. Adjusting your plan can help keep your training fresh and aligned with your objectives.